Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about Google Workspace Admin, how we can secure our Google Workspace Admin console. So let's go ahead and start the process. How and what will be the login process? Initially, how we'll log in? Let me tell you. This is all about the Google Workspace and the URL as you can see admin.google.com. As soon as you want to log into the workspace, so this is the URL to log in, and you will put your ID and password. So now let me quickly show you the security part. So how we are manage the security. As you can see right now, Gemini generative AI Gemini for workspace is now available. So that separate that I will create a separate video. As soon as you log into the workspace, then what you will have to do, you have to verify your domain. This is the first step. Verify the domain. Now welcome to admin console. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Activate Gmail. That also is required. Click on next. Finish. This is all about the whole process. Now we'll click on protect. Now protect the domain. Now create a new user. So what I'll do, I'll create one test user. Test user. Add new user. Test. Done. My test user created. Right. So if I'll go and refresh my screen, click on user. As you can see, test users is created. Right. So now As you can see, my domain already enabled. This is the primary step when you are going to create a Google Workspace. Then you can manage domain, add domain, change your primary domain. That is possible to do that. As you can see, on the left hand side, this is the security option. So I'll have to click there and expand their security. And you can see couple of options here: alert center, authentication, access and data control. Let me expand one by one. So first let me expand the authentication. So first we'll check the password management. As you can see, there is an option called password management here. So what I'll do, click password management. Then the password length 8 and maximum is 100, but what I'll do, strength and length enforcement, enable the password policy on the next sign in. So this is basically change to length and strength requirement are applied for the next time, and affected user change their password. To apply changes immediately, start enforcement the next time a user sign in. So that's why you have to enable enforce password policy at next sign in. Then we'll just check on allow password reuse. Now coming to the expiration of the password, so that will select uh, never expire to 365 days for now, for the demo purpose. Okay, so now click on save. So my password policy, the require as per the requirement I have set up, right? Now let's enable the user account recovery. How to do that? So here in the same security tab, in the authentication there is a option called account recovery. So let me click on account recovery, and what I will do here, just click on user account recovery. This is off, right? And here one option, allow users and non super admin to recover their account. So select it and then click on save. Okay, now let me tell you how to create a new user. So click on directory here and then click on user and click on add user. Here you put some name like John, last name John Matthew, and this is the primary mail ID. Automatically generate a strong password with 16 character, or maybe there is other option, create a password. Two option you can create. Right, so this is for now. I select this one, then add new user. You can copy password from here as well if required. Then if you refresh, it will visible the created user, right? So I want to log in with the new user created here. What I'll do, I'll copy the email ID from here. Copy the address here. Let me put here. Password here. Let me take the password. Let me use the default password. Click on next. Now asking me to create a password and confirm password. That was the intention to show you. So here let me put some new password. Okay. Now I can able to log in. the newly created user, get everything is done. So now I'm successfully login, right? If I'll come to security again, somehow log out. Let me log in again. Okay, if we'll click on security, click on authentication and click on account recovery. Here, one option I have to do as soon as you are in new user account and after reset the password, click on security. Then how you sign in to Google, right? This is the recovery email. This option recovery email. Then you just put the password which you changed. To your recovery email. Put any recovery email address. For example, for now, let me put this one and verify. So verify recovery email verification code will be sent to the email ID which I received. So let me check the verification code. So the code which I received 421064. Verify it. Now it's verified. The recovery email. Recovery email is the verified now. Now we'll go for the two-step verification. Okay, so how we'll do that? If we come to here, then click on security, come to the authentication. Then navigate to two-step verification. There is the option, you click over there. Couple of options you have here, you can see. So what we'll have to do, just enforcement, as you can see, there is radio bottom is enable off. Now let me enable. Then just two-step verification on. Now click. Let me click on save. So here one thing I would like to show you. If you click on security, here you can see the two-step verification is off. Now turn on, and now you can put the number. Now yes, and now I got the code 511992. Verify. Now two-step verification is enabled. Verification started. Test message. Turn on. Then click on save. So verification method, authenticator app, phone number, Google prompt, passkey and security key. These are the options for the two-step verification. So what option we follow? Only number. Okay. So now moving to Allowlist app in the Google Workspace and Marketplace. So what we'll do here now, coming to app section, as you can see this is the app. Let me click on Google Workspace app and Google Workspace Marketplace app. Here you can see Google Workspace Marketplace app and Google Workspace. So first we go to app, then Google Workspace Marketplace app, then click on setting. So as you can see there is the option setting. Okay. So then we'll select allow user to install and run Allowlist app from the marketplace. Select it. From the marketplace, allow user to install and run the Allowlist app from the marketplace. Okay, all right. So the overall setting of Google Workspace over here, as you can see, the web and mobile app, additional Google service, Google Workspace, what are the Google Vault, Google Meet, Device Dock, App Sheet. Uh, so different options over here to app level security. Then the security multi-factor authentication and then account recovery. Two things I explain here. One is two-step verification and other one account recovery. And workspace admin, how to authenticate the domain, how to create the user. So these are the things which we learn today. I hope this video will be helpful. If you are looking for more video, so don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more video. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.